Here's how to professionally install a stage step dance floor system with Chris from CMG Flooring. First off is installation of the floating wood subfloor. It requires no adhesive, no glue, no screws, no sanding. The foam comes with the flooring, and simply it's an elongated tongue and groove where you stagger the seams. You can see them banging the floor together. And over the top of that will be an installation of stage steps, time step, and a permanent install. Step 2, align vinyl, or the Marley. Step 3, cut vinyl to size. Here's where the floor is cut and aligned next to all the other rolls, and then it will be rolled back up. Step 4 is removing the vinyl. Step 5, the application of the adhesive. Here they're applying the permanent adhesive, which the floor will be installed. Step 6, apply the vinyl to the adhesive and lay the vinyl flat. And now your floor is complete.